Hello, I'm Dixie, the instructor for your class. I want to walk through the share rights that I want you to use for this class. So I have a template open. It's a book report template. I'm going to go to the upper right-hand corner, and I'm going to click the share button. So because I'm grading within Canvas, the most efficient method is to grade within Canvas. And the best way to do this is to have you submit this shareable link. By default, the link is view only. Again, because I'm grading as the instructor and I want to make sure that you've completed the required activities, I need to have edit rights for almost all the assignments. So it's just easier if you give me edit rights on all the assignments, and then I can fully grade your assignment and not ask you to resubmit. So once I've changed that from view to edit, I simply copy the link. Now I have the assignment open here in this tab in Canvas. I already had that open. I'm ready to submit it. I go to click the Submit Assignment button. And down here is where I'm going to paste in the website URL. And then I'm just going to submit the assignment. Now, if I want to see that it actually was submitted, I can click on Submission Details. And this is actually what I see as the instructor also. And I click on this link, and then I see your document there. And I have access to all the menus. So if I ask you to do something in version history, I can access it. So that is the most efficient way to submit your work for this class. Now, there are 2 times when I do ask you to email something to the PDE email address. The journal was the first time, and then in the collaboration, one of those 2 assignments, I also ask you to share it with PDE 3503 at Gmail. It comes up for me already. And what you'll notice by this one is that the default in email is edit. So if you're ever sending something to people that you don't want them to have full rights to, you would change it to view. Again, for the class, go ahead and leave it as edit rights. So those are the 2 different ways to share in the class. You will use the shareable link for 99% of the assignments. 2 assignments, I ask you to share it with the 3503 Gmail. So, and it will specifically say in that lesson to do that. So just read carefully for that. And like I said, it's the journal, the initial journal, the first time that you submit it. And then I believe it's the last collaboration, part 2 assignment, I also ask you to send me a link to the 3503. So I hope this video clarifies how you're going to submit your work into Canvas. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to shoot me a message within Canvas, and I'll be glad to help. Take care.